My brother and sister, if you feel sudden fear, strange dreams, unexplained heaviness, listen carefully, because what I'm about to tell you can expose the sihr done on you and protect you from it instantly. Allah never lets hidden evil stay hidden forever. Say these words, take these steps, and watch how Allah begins to reveal the truth and break every harm directed at you. When a person is affected by sihr, the first and most powerful shield they can seek is the protection of Allah. Sihr may shake your peace, disturb your emotions, create confusion or cause unexpected fears. But the moment you turn back to Allah with sincerity, His protection surrounds you. Immediate spiritual protection begins in the heart, with certainty that no harm, no magic, and no enemy can overpower the command of Allah. The first step is to recite Ayatul Kursi, because it is a divine fortress against all evil forces. Its words create a barrier that no jinn or harmful influence can cross. Then recite Surah Al-Falaq and Surah An-Nas, the two powerful chapters known as Al-Mu'awwidhatnan, which the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ himself used for protection. These surahs cut through hidden evil, black magic, envy and spiritual harm like light breaking darkness. After reciting them, blow gently on your hands and wipe your body, imagining Allah's light cleansing every trace of sihr. Remember, protection works strongest when paired with trust. When the heart believes Allah is with me, nothing can overpower you. With every recitation, you are declaring to the unseen world that you stand under Allah's shield, and no evil can break through it. One of the greatest comforts for someone suffering from sihr is knowing that Allah does not let injustice remain hidden forever. When you seek Him sincerely, Allah guides your heart, exposes what is concealed, and reveals the truth in the most unexpected ways. Divine revelation does not always come through dreams or sudden signs. Sometimes it comes through clarity, intuition, or events that unfold step by step until the full picture becomes clear. Allah promises in the Quran that falsehood will be exposed and every hidden plot will be brought into the open. When a believer turns to Allah with dua, especially during moments of weakness, Allah strengthens their insight. Reciting Surah Al-Falaq, Surah Al-Nas, and calling upon Allah with the dua, Allahumma arini al-haqqa kartan warzuqni tiba, can open your heart to the truth. Ask Allah repeatedly to show you who is behind the harm, and He will reveal it in the right time, not to break you, but to protect you. Many people experience subtle signs, a sudden realization, exposure through someone else, a dream that carries meaning, or a situation that uncovers the person responsible. Always remember, Allah's timing is perfect, and when He unveils the truth, He does it with justice, wisdom, and protection for your heart. When facing sihr, the most powerful weapon you possess is not an object, not a ritual, and not any worldly cure. It is your iman, your unwavering belief that Allah is greater than every evil, every jinn, every magician, and every plot. Sihr only affects a person deeply when their heart feels weak, afraid, or disconnected. But the moment you strengthen your faith, its influence begins to weaken, fade, and eventually collapse. True empowerment starts when you remind yourself, no harm can touch me unless Allah allows it. And if He allows it, then it is only for my elevation, not my destruction. Surround your life with acts of worship that build spiritual strength. Pray your 5 salah consistently, because every prayer is a shield. Increase your recitation of the Quran, especially Surah Baqarah, as the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said that its recitation drives away shayateen. Keep your tongue busy with dhikr, especially La ilaha illallah, Hasbunallahi wa bihamdi. These words fill your heart with divine light that burns away darkness. Empowerment also comes from trusting Allah's wisdom. Sihr may shake your life temporarily, but when you respond with patience, dua, and reliance on Allah, you rise above the harm. You become someone protected, guided, and strengthened. Remember, sihr is temporary, but your faith, when rooted in Allah, becomes unbreakable. Sihr works in hidden ways, often attacking a person's emotions, mind, and daily life without a clear physical cause. One of the earliest signs is sudden, unexplained changes in mood, anxiety that appears out of nowhere, heaviness in the chest, or waves of sadness without reason. A person may feel trapped, confused, or mentally blocked, as if their thoughts are being weighed down. Another common sign is persistent nightmares, especially dreams involving darkness, snakes, shadows, or someone chasing you. These dreams often repeat and leave you waking up tired, frightened, or drained. Sihr can also affect relationships. A person may suddenly dislike someone they once loved, experience extreme anger, or feel emotionally cold without understanding why. This is especially seen in sihr, meant to break marriages or create distance between family members. In such cases, arguments arise over small things and peace becomes hard to maintain. Physical symptoms can also appear: headaches that have no medical explanation, fatigue even after rest, or feeling as if something is pressing on your body. Some people experience forgetfulness, loss of focus, or sudden fear when entering certain places. But the strongest sign is spiritual disturbance. You may feel resistance to prayer, laziness in worship, or discomfort when hearing Quran, especially Surah Bahra. This is because sihr weakens the soul, while Allah's words expose and burn the harm. Recognizing the signs is the first step. The moment you become aware, you can begin seeking Allah's help, protection, and healing. Removing sihr begins with turning sincerely to Allah, because no healing is more powerful than the healing He sends. The first and most important step is to recite Surah Al-Baqarah regularly. Even listening to it in your home weakens and destroys the work of magicians. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said that shayateen flee from a house where Surah Al-Baqarah is recited. Make it a daily routine, even if you read a portion each day until you complete it. Next, recite Ayatul Kursi after every salah and before sleeping. It forms a protective barrier around your mind, body, and home. Follow it with Surah Al-Falah and Surah An-Nas, blowing into your hands and wiping your entire body. These two surahs were revealed specifically for protection from evil, sihr, and hidden harm. You can also recite the powerful dua. So recite it 3 times. In the morning and evening, it guards you from every unseen harm. Drink Ruqyah water by reciting Surah Fatiha, Ayatul Kursi, and the last 3 surahs over water and blowing into it. Wash with it or sprinkle it around your home. Finally, purify your space. Keep your home clean. Avoid sinful music or influences. Pray consistently and maintain strong tawakkul. When Allah is with you, no sihr can stand, and every knot tied against you begins to unravel.